So in this video we talk about the bar graphs in Matplotlib. What is a bar graph? So a bar graph is a chart that represents the categorical data with rectangular bars with heights or length proportional to the values that they represent. So the bars can be plotted vertically or horizontally. That depends upon you. A bar graph shows comparison among discrete categories. So bar charts contain discontinuous data or continuous data. That is the main difference between bar charts and histograms. And now let's talk about how you can use bar charts. So we have the signature function bar here for plotting the bar graph. Let's start. So first we import our matplotlib.pyplot module. So I use this line, import matplotlib.pyplot module as pt, and now we want to use style. So we again use from matplotlib.pyplot import style. These lines are generally used in every pyplotting, so we use this style.use ggplot. So now we have an array, and the bar function takes at least one array. So we say that an array x, and for that also that each and every bar represents some names. Now let's create an array. So we create an array 10 to 30, 32, 11. That is an array, and we use pt.bar like this function, and I use pt.show for showing the graph. It takes one more parameter, that is the height for each bar, and this is must parameter when you are passing a single array. We got the error, okay, and that is the spelling error of the matplotlib. I will correct this matplotlib, okay, matplotlib spelling corrections. Okay, now let's run this. We got each and every bar, but that has a height 10. Okay, let's make 23. Now we got this. So these are your 4 bars, and this is a bar chart, and every bar has a height 10. If we use height equal to 30, we get another one. That is all about this, and it takes one more parameter also, width. That is optional, and if we use width equal to 20, we get everything is covered, and width equal to 2, we get the each and every bar width is too much greater in size, but we have to use this function instead. Okay, what about if we have the names? We don't have the name of each bar. We don't know which bar represents which name. So a bar graph, we know that shows comparison among discrete categories, and one of the bars shows being compared and the other shows the values, the names for that. So we create an array also. In this case we create an array names abcf, and we use that names comma x comma height equal to 3. Okay, there is no use of height when we call two arrays, so we say names comma x. Now let's run this. So we got each and every bar has a name which we use an array. So a b c f, these are your 4 bars with this name. That is all about how you can use, and we can also change the color. So color equal to black. We got each and every bar with the color black. Perfect for the single array. And what about if we use the 2 arrays? Okay, so we use 2 arrays like 20, 40, 54, 11, or 54 and 13 like that. Okay, so pt.bar, and we use names x comma y just like that. Now let's run this. We got this. So these are your 2 parameters using x and y. Okay, let's use x comma y only. We get these 4 bars, and these are your x-axis versus y-axis. So this is the other axis which represents a measured value. So that is all about how you can use the bar charts in Matplotlib.